over you, like I'm crying over you. Running to my man, girl.
Bag of mushrooms and Massimo's pills.
But I love food shopping. I feel like it's a peaceful thing. Just something about a food shopping day gets me going. So do my regular morning routine, get ready for the day, and head out. Nothing better than the feeling of being in a clean house. You just took a shower. So depending on what day, my budget, I will shop at different stores for different things. Aldi's is great for low budget kitchen essentials and things like sugar, oil, spices, and things that are special like fresh produce or vegan products, I'll go somewhere else. I also wanted to do this video because a lot of people feel like if your content isn't aesthetically pleasing, or if you don't have these dividers or these organizers for your kitchen, that you can't make videos. And I'm here to tell you this is what a realistic food shopping looks like for me in my household, and it's perfectly fine. So something I like to do to save money is pre-plan the meals that I'm going to make for the week, and then buy the ingredients that are needed or accordingly for my recipes. And then I also leave room for miscellaneous or things that I can add and switch in, so I'm not eating the same things all week and I don't get bored. I love going to Whole Foods, Sprouts, Trader Joe's, grocery stores like that, but those stores tend to be a little bit pricey. So Publix is something similar to those stores, but I guess a little bit more budget friendly. I like to come here for my vegan products and some high-end products that are just not in Aldi's. When I seen this, I knew I had to get it. I was so excited. I don't know what I'm gonna make with this yet, but keep an eye out for a recipe. Condensed coconut milk is a rare find, or at least for me. Didn't really record much of my night after that. I just pretty much was on my computer editing, watched a show with my best friend.